Netizens talked about the Data Privacy Act amid the controversial exposed conversations of Capamilio Love Team partners Maurice Racal and Anthony Jennings. Maurice and Anthony's on-screen partnership started in Can't Buy Me Love, from being known as the snoring tandem based on their characters' names in the series. Their love team continued as Mathan. The partnership in front of the camera started when they both were still with their respective partners. Maurice was still with Rico Blanco at that time, while Anthony was still with his non-showbiz girlfriend Sham Villanueva. When Maurice Racal and Anthony Jennings confirmed their breakups with their respective ex-partners, they both said that there was new third-party ... However, Jam had a different story supported by her screenshots. She shared in a series of Instagram stories the intimate conversations between Anthony and Maurice while she and the actor were still together. This revelation blew up on social media and netizens had negative reactions to Maurice. On the other hand, there were netizens who defended her and said that Jam violated the Data Privacy Act or the Republic Act No. 10173. This law states the disclosure of a private conversation involving personal data without the consent of the parties involved, or without some other lawful basis for the processing of personal data under the DPA, may be construed as unauthorized processing. Netizens, who cited this, said that Jam had no right to expose those private conversations between Maurice and Anthony. However, some netizens pointed out that this will not fall under that law, as Jam suffered from psychological and mental distress brought by the alleged cheating, and she can also file violence against women and their children VAWC complaint. A netizen shared a video of an apparent lawyer explaining the Data Privacy Act and its connection to screenshots of private conversations being exposed. The Supreme Court's decision was cited based on an article in Republicasia. The Data Privacy Act of 2012 allows the processing of sensitive personal information when it relates to the determination of criminal liability of a data subject and when necessary for the protection of lawful rights and interests of persons in court proceedings.